With our own plantations, Sunshine Code uses advanced cultivation techniques to guarantee the highest quality ingredients. At the peak of ripeness, our longans are meticulously hand-picked by skilled workers, ensuring only the highest quality raw materials are selected to deliver the best for you. We are committed to selecting only the finest fruit flesh, ensuring that every piece is free from defects or damage. Our dedication to quality is matched by our expertise in advanced drying techniques, which have been refined over years of experience. This allows us to create perfectly dried fruits that retain their natural flavors, vibrant colors, and essential nutrients. We have the advanced laboratories that conduct rigorous quality testing. In addition, we have obtained international certifications and qualifications.